Yo. So market's about to open in 30 seconds. Um, yeah, analysis still here. We did accumulate here, but we didn't have a manipulation. So this would be a pretty big manipulation. So there's probably actually an SMT if I'm. Let's go look at ES. No SMT there. So there's a lot of buy side liquidity above here. So this kind of looks like a market maker buy model. Like this will be the original consolidation 1. Or this will be original consolidation 1, consolidation 2, smart money reversal. So yeah, there would be a lot of buy side here. Standard deviation from this 1 hour. We have a swing low, swing high, swing low, higher high. Standard deviation brings us to buy side liquidity here, buy side liquidity here, buy side liquidity there. Low resistance liquidity run, and -2, -2.5 brings us into the Tron liquidity. I saw on Aiden's Twitter that he had this marked out, that busy, which I have marked out as well, but kind of does make sense. So really want to see what we do here actually. I want to see market in 30 minutes. I want to see market close above this rejection block, so we're really high above the rejection block now, so that would be safe for my bias. But yeah, it does kind of make sense that we want to go back to equilibrium because we failed to take out that high. We're now accumulating, and only daily looks like accumulation candle, accumulation candle, accumulation candle. So we want to see manipulation to the downside, which would be this low and this busy, and then this will be our power of 3. If we go look here, then manipulation, distribution, that's basically it. So it does look like that on that time frame, but we'll see what we do actually. Maybe we'll just jump on to the drawn liquidity. But yeah, this 3-day order block, if we take out this high, then I wouldn't really see us take out that high and then go lower into that busy. I would think that we go for the drawn liquidity, but I'm really curious what we'll see, or what we'll do. So market open right now, and we did trade a lot above right there. So let's actually see this Reaper. We disrespected it here. Actually not a Reaper. I'm tweaking. Or is it here? There's a Reaper here though. Let's look at a singular for fake up in this whole leg. Would be right here. Reaper would be there, I would say. Or is it? We have a swing low, we have a swing high, or a swing a lower low. We close above the high, we take out the high. Yeah, Reaper was already used here. Really. Right there as well, yeah. Reaper was already used here. So we close above there, so we retest the Reaper right there. We did close above it, did close below it a bit, then close below there as well. But yeah, we used the Reaper here, so that Reaper will already been used. Alright, so we tap into, what even is this order block? Yeah, it's a 8 hour, no, not 8 hour, it's a 6 hour order block. Not this candle, it's this candle, because this candle has more volume. It covers this whole candle, so you take this candle, not these 3 candles, because the gap is right here, for the gap's right there. So yeah, this candle is the order block. So yeah, we tap the order block now, and this also could be the high of the day, right here, the order block. Tap into, and we could see the direction of the order block. If we're really bearish, then this would be the high of the day. And then we will see also this low, this low, this low. So yeah, this is a 8 hour rejection block it was. So in 25 minutes, if we close below here, then we'll definitely take out this low, and then I'll be looking for trades. So I won't be taking any trades until this candle closes. So we'll see what happens. Standard deviation, -2, -2.5, brings us here. Where could we find a retrace in that order block? Yeah, about this equilibrium here. So we tap into that like 3-day order block. We turtle soup this order block, but then we go back to the upside. So what is that for? It's just basically for us to build liquidity. So yeah, it's not really good to trade. And when it was Friday when we were accumulating, then on Friday we were thinking like we're gonna take that high, but we didn't, and we didn't do anything. So that's just to accumulate orders. And then if we take equilibrium from this to this high, that equilibrium will be right here. BC will be right there. So that's definitely drawing liquidity, or definitely it's probably drawing liquidity if we close below this rejection block on the 8-hour. And then equilibrium from the drawn liquidity to the low, where I want to retrace actually this low as well. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But I just want to take equilibrium from here to here. If we take this low, then we definitely go into this busy accumulation on the daily. If there is accumulation on bigger time frame, then we get like a big manipulation and big distribution. So that would be good as well. But we'll see what we do with this here. If we close above this here, then I'm probably thinking we're gonna take buy side here. And buy side here, which is the low resistance liquidity run, and I'll just do it like this. We gotta also go for mean threshold, go lower there, leave even more liquidity, but I don't know. We'll just see what market does. We're going up here, so also could be our drew the swing. And we'll see what the 10 a.m. candle does on the 4-hour. Where does market go? If we see let's say this is 10 a.m. opening, and I see this rally up, like the first minutes of the candle open, then I expect to open, I expect a high, I expect a low, and I expect a close. So yeah. Good to remove this standard deviation from this turtle soup to this high. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is there. Oh wait, that's here. -2, -2.5 standard deviation gives us this high here that we could find a retrace off of. And this is like the same, so. -1 brings us in the order block mean threshold. -0.5 brings us in the order block mean threshold, which is an easy target. -2, -2.5 brings us strong liquidity. Yeah, we'll see what happens, basically. We'll see what happens. This could be our Judas swing still. Look for a singular for value gap here, 5 minutes singular for value gap here. So maybe we could actually take a trade on this inversion. Let's see where the standard deviation is. We have a swing high, a swing low, signal higher, high. Nothing there really. -2, -2.5 does bring us that low. Oh wait, it's actually this after this, because we take out this swing high, swing low, swing higher, lower low. -2, -2.5 doesn't bring us to that level yet. Only this here. I don't like the -1 standard deviation. Doesn't give us that low, but we'll see what we do here. Also, if you close below here, then this will be our Reaper. So that would be a high probability setup on this inversion for value gap, like stop above the Reaper or something. And then easy target would be 0.5 standard deviation, -1 standard deviation, yeah, like that low. So we see what we'll do. Still have 20 more minutes. So yeah, we could definitely see in 20 minutes we could definitely see this constant encroachment. If we close below this value gap, only 5 minutes. Yeah, only 5 minutes. So we'll see what we do. Another breaker here. From here to here. Standard deviation gives us that minus 0.5. And then that gives us nothing really. So yeah, now we're just filling up that busy. Alright, so let's see what we do with this setup. The candle can close until here. If it closes on top of this or above that, that would be perfect, and I would take a market order. So let's say it's here. My stop wouldn't be above here, it would be above this Reaper, somewhere like around here. Oh, there's actually a right up there, so right up here, that's our Reaper. Save stop. Yeah, right. This looks like it's gonna do something. And if we close below this purple line here, so below this price, then I will just wait for a retrace, and here will be my entry. But yeah, this is how I use time with price. So 8 hour, I'm waiting for a candle closure above constant encroachment, 18 more minutes left. So then if I look to lower time frames, can we still go here between now and 80 minutes? Yeah, 80 minutes is a lot, so yeah, we could dump a lot here. So yeah, we'll see what we do. We have a Reaper here now, so this would be our Reaper, so we could maybe also have an entry here, give a bigger stop, and also I'll set a limited order here. Wait, am I on the right accounts? Yeah. Alright, so first trades, it's going to be a 1% risk. Right there. Alright, so let's see what we do. Let's remove that low because it's annoying. Let's remove the standard deviation. Alright, let's see. So breaker here. Let's look for a singular value gap. Not yet. But yeah, breaker here, inversion for value gap here. Is in discount there. And is in discount here as well. Yeah. Will be a valid Reaper. So let's see what we do. If we wait for a singular for value gap. More seconds to go, so I will probably see a for value gap on the 3 minute if we do have one. That would be our unicorn. I want a unicorn to get disrespected as well, or like not disrespected, but we go more above than usual. Yeah, the only thing is that I don't really like the standard deviation on this. No, this could be a target. Where is the rejection block? 5 minute. Still didn't close. Or about to. So let's see if we can get a retrace. Accumulation. We get, or yeah, accumulation. We get our manipulation and then our distribution. If you look at it like that. So let's see if we can get like a retrace. Where could we find a retrace? We have a 30-minute order block there. 7-minute, disrespected that 7-minute order block. So if we look to the 50-minute, swing low, swing high, we'll be here. Or actually, wait. Yeah, you're there. That's equilibrium, disrespected. But lower than equilibrium, so let's look for an order block. This candle's bigger, doesn't have the imbalance. This is the order block. Didn't react off anything, just a high gap. So that's probably would be a retrace. Reapers all the way up here. Singular for high gap here. And then this probably would be like a breakaway gap there. Or breakaway reaper, I don't even know. But yeah, let's see what we do. 8 hour, if we didn't get a retrace, and we close above the rejection block, then I would wait. Also in 30 minutes would be our silver bullet, our kill zone, or open high low close, or open low high close. We'll see. Looks like a, yeah. What does it look like? Like it swept liquidity, tapped into imbalance. Singular for V gap, because there's a V gap here, as you can see. It is a V gap. So tap into the singular for V gap, we tap the order block. Went all the way lower, so yeah. And then we wait for a retrace. Maybe the 0.5 standard deviation where we could find a retrace, and that would also make us close below the rejection block on skin encroachment. So we'll see what happens. Can I set the price next to it? Don't think I can. Alright, so we're getting like a small retracement. $11 minutes. We could still find a retracement off of this Reaper and then go down all the way below constant encroachment. So this is basically trading time. Like 75% time, 25% price. Like we're just looking at time right now. Alright, so as you can see, we also, if we didn't have a Reaper, we closed below this price here. So I'll just wait for a retrace into constant encroachment of that inversion for V gap. But actually the setup isn't valid anymore because we also took out that swing low. So we want to see price. Where is it? You want to see price come above here, or close above here, or on top of here, and then not take out that low, and then tap into there, and then go lower. So your stop would be a break even here, maybe even small partial if it would be like this, and then I don't even know where stop would be, like here and here, and then I'll take a partial there. My stop would already be at break even. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, this is ICT's favorite setup, unicorn, especially if we take out liquidity at market open. Exactly what we did here. So yeah, and let's mark out that Reaper. Let's look at the 6 minute actually. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'll just close this. I don't want 6 minutes ending here. Where is it? Here. All right, 7 minutes. Thank you. Singular relay gap right there. There, and that will be a Reaper. Can't even see it's that small, but it is there. Even the Reaper here. Take it at high, take it at low. So Reaper here, but people will actually maybe see this as this is the Reaper, and then we will respect this Reaper, but we will also tap into here. If we do, all right, look what we tap. Look what we tap. Like you can like like you think I'm like stupid when I pick like time frames with like this rejection block, and I make my rules with like I don't want to see the previous candle before the rejection block. I don't want to see the body tap into that rejection block. You think that's like a stupid rule, but you get the perfect rejection block. You get perfect yeah, you're using the right rejection block. It's not like the 6 hour or something. It's like, or like, wait, maybe I can find like right here. There would be a different consequent encroachment right here, as you can see. But yeah. Alright, so let's see what we do. Let's look at the 8 hours. Still have 7 more minutes to close below the consequent encroachment. If you close above it in the 7 minutes, then I would take out this trade, and I'll wait. And I'll close the trade in like there's like no rule for it. If you have like 1 more minute to close and we're like still here, then I would see that as a respect, or like even 2 minutes, or I don't know. Just gotta that isn't really something you can follow by rules or something. That's something you gotta know with experience, I would say. So there are 6 more minutes, and yeah, we could definitely go below here in 6 minutes. So I'll wait. So yeah, I don't even have to look at the 8 hour candle. I just have to look at time here. So we're getting a retracement here. Actually, there would be no time for a retracement, but this would be a Reaper as well if we go above this high. Yeah, we'll see what we do. But this trade could also still be valid if we at 10 a.m. are still here, and at 10 a.m. we see like a Judas swing, and then we go lower. That would still make it valid. We'll see what we do. All right, let's see what we do. 10 a.m. is where everything is gonna go better. Kind of accumulating right now as well. All right. Still 5 more minutes. We could tap into that Reaper and we could even go lower. So we could tap into that Reaper and still close above the or below the consequent encroachment. So let's see what we do. We're close. 50-minute Reaper here. Oof, that's just beautiful. See what we do with it. If we get a market structure shift on this, I'll actually just take the singular for value gap, because we're in a hurry. 4 more minutes, we're in a hurry. Let's see. That's beautiful. Let's see what we do. If we get like an inversion for rate gap on his, oh damn. If you get an inversion for rate gap on this, that would be beautiful. Oh damn, yeah. Alright, let's look. Let's look. Alright, let's see. Tapping into that Reaper again. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we do. Three more minutes. If you have 1 more minute left, I would just close out this trade and I'll wait for like a reaction. I would actually give it 30 more seconds. All right, we're gonna actually close. All right, so we got tapped into. Tapping into that Reaper. All right, let's see what we do. All right, don't wanna see us come back here. Because I said 2 more minutes or 30 more seconds. I want to see market go in a hurry right now. I want to see it really go now. It has not even 1.5 minutes, so. Let's see what we do. 1 more minute. So yeah, we're all the way right here. We have 1 more minute, so stops are already at break even. We'll see what we do. Let's remove that Reaper, the actual Reaper, which I said. Or is it? Alright, and now we wait 30 more seconds and we'll see what we do with alright, let's probably get stopped out here or stop at break even here. So we'll see what we do. Can we get to choose swing lower? Let's see what we do. All right, as soon as As soon as I see 1 minute candle opens, I want to see we go lower. That's beautiful. All right, 2, 1. All right. I want to see us go lower, like retracement somewhere around. Let's look for singular for VGAP. Where it's gonna be beautiful. For VGAP there. Oof. That's a singular one, yeah. All right, so singular one for VGAP is only 2 minutes, so it's here. So we tapped in that CB. Wait, why did I extend it that much? All right, so let's remove this standard deviation. Let's look for singular for VGAP in this leg here. Would be here. Would that be our silver bullet? Yeah, it would be also. We look for the biggest order block in that range. Not there. There's a break up here. Candle there. This will be our order block. So it would be too low for me, so I go for mean threshold. So somewhere below mean threshold. Alright, so single break up's only 1 minute. Target at high. Standard deviation from. Oh damn, look at that. Wait. Yeah, so kind of consolidating right now. So our manipulation would be probably that high, maybe. I don't even know. We'll see. But yeah, this will be our breaker here. Minus 0.5 brings us into that unicorn. Minus 0.5 doesn't bring us there anywhere. Here. Let's see. All right, let's see what we do. All right, 10 a.m. We're still pushing up. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. Look at the 4 hour. Oh yeah. Wait, I do want to see that. This is what we already made on the 4 hour. That's good. That's really good. But yeah, that's. Oh, I don't want to see us close above or close below here. Actually, we'll see what we do. Actually, we're just doing so much. Original consolidation. Yeah, we'll see what we do. Really tiny. Inversion here. Maybe. Standard deviation, -2, -2.5 brings us to that low. But there's really not a setup here. Or is there? Or is there? Swing high, swing low, swing higher high. We'll see what we do. All right. Wait for retracement. Boom. Here we would go at break even. Here would be our target. Here would be our first target. We'll see what you do. We still have this low left, so this will be your valid entry. So we see what we do. If we take out this low, then it isn't a valid entry anymore. There. All right. Not a valid entry anymore. singular value gap in this entire range would be right here. So minus 0.5 standard deviation brings us into that CB here, or BC, sorry. That's so small. Silver bullet, it's right there. There, and our risk not a 4%, our risk 0.5, because really isn't clear for me. But it looks beautiful. 10 AM, small push to the upside. That would be our high of the day right here. So yeah, let's see what we do. Yeah, I would expect this to be our high of the day. Even though we respected this consequent encroachment. So we'll see what we do. If it gets stopped out here, then we're rest of the day we're bullish. So yeah, let's see. CB. Alright. Oh. No partials. We're only in with one contract. So no partials. Easy draw on liquidity. Easy target. Minus 0.5 standard deviation. -1 doesn't really give us anything. -2, -2.5 standard deviation brings us to that low again. But yeah. Even though we respected that consequent encroachment of that rejection block, we tapped into that order block, pushed up, closed lower on, where was it? I don't even know. I don't even know what candle it was. Yeah, accumulation candle actually, but I don't even know what candle it was. Maybe it even wasn't, but tap into that order block. If you get a slight tap into the order block, then we're really bearish. If you get a tap into or like first quadrant, sorry. If you get it tapped into there, we're really bearish. But if we close above the first quadrant and we go near the mean threshold, but we don't tap into the mean threshold, then there's still buy side liquidity up there. But yeah. But yeah, we just take this. We're just taking this off of here. The 4 hour. Here. We're just taking it off of the 4 hour. And we're expecting a open. We expect a high. Then we expect the low. Here. And then we expect a close. Also with our bigger bias. Power tree. We and the economic calendar. We expect Tuesday to be our manipulation. We expect Wednesday to be our reversal slash our manipulation slash reversal. This will be our reversal slash expansion, and this will be our expansion probably. So yeah, that's what we're expecting. But if we get a close above here, or if we get stopped out on this silver bullet, then I'm bullish for the rest of the day. And then I expect everything that I marked out earlier. So it looks like we actually closed already. We already closed above the mean threshold, so I think we're gonna get stopped out here. So then I would anticipate this to be our low of the day. Here. Wait, we're not stopped out yet. So this here, this will be the low of the day, and I would say Aiden is wrong. Alright, let's see. Alright. Now you can basically reverse our position if we really want to, but for fake gap here, unicorn setup here. There, stop or somewhere there, and I'm risking 1%. Confident with my target now, with everything we had. Our unicorn be here, here, here. Swing low gets taken, swing low gets taken. Turtle soup. This actually would be just our turtle soup, but we'll see what happens. And then where do we target now? 0.5 standard deviation brings us to the mean threshold, basically. And if you go look here, what we had here, yeah. Here, -0.5 brings us above this, above these equal highs, which would be my target, which would be my first target actually, or first. Mean threshold would be my first target. This would be my final target. I only have 2 contracts, so. But yeah, well, I will still be anticipating buy side here, because if we take out this high, then this would be low resistance liquidity run, and I've repeated that like so many times, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking now. So yeah, just a safe TP right here at mean threshold. And then there aren't any more contracts for me to take partials off of. -1 standard deviation. This brings us into this middle low, which is from the low resistance liquidity run. Middle high, sorry. But yeah, I'll just take a safe take partial. It's a 1-3 RR, so it's fine. So we'll see what we do, and yeah, it looks beautiful. Really, really, really looks beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. There's nothing else to say really. I was expecting a manipulation to the upside here, then a distribution lower. We didn't get the manipulation, so that's just more liquidity. And that's just beautiful. We didn't get this. We did get this. Somewhere around constant encroachment. I did that constant encroachment. I was thinking like some level around here. But yeah, we went deeper than that. Way deeper. Yeah, way deeper. But still, it's the same. Get a retrace up. Let's actually compare it to today, because I'm proud actually. But it's gonna be beautiful here. All right, let's look at the difference. Bro, this song, man, it's like I achieved something. All right, let's look at here. This is here. Constant encroachment, get higher, get a swing low. You get a small retrace here. You go higher, get like like a few swing highs, or like a few retracements. And then I just took out this high, not even at the order block, because I was expecting that we tapped the order block in Asian or London session that we were gonna manipulate to the upside. That would be our tap into the order block, but we didn't get that, so this changes. That will be our first target. We'll probably go through both of those, but we'll see. We gotta keep. We can't go out of straight yet. We have to look at these highs. We have to look at ES. Where we take that high on ES. Let's see. No, we didn't. So there's still liquidity above here. If we fail this to displace through this, then I would take a partial. Stop with already break even here. Don't want to see us come. Oh wait, it actually is an order block, but yeah, it actually is an order block. Oh yeah, it is here. No, it isn't. All right, so stop would actually still be here. All right, I didn't change it. I didn't change it. All right. So let's see what we do with this high. All right, so where we closed above there. Buy side, I would say. Let's see what we do here. All right, that's good. Pump. Damn. Justin is in 8 contracts. He's up 8K. That's just insane. I don't even know where he actually got in, but let's see. Is he even trading in Q? Where did he get in? Or I don't even know where he got in. We got in on the 5 minutes? No, I didn't. Or I don't even know where he got in. Or he's like on the second chart. Yeah. Oh, TP got it. That's just beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, so let's see. Order block here. Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, let's see what we do. So already up 0.5% on this account now. That's good. Let's see if we go further than mean threshold. We should though. We should. Or like, should we Should we actually? Should we? Order block is there. That is an order block. No, yes. Yeah, we should. There's like so much liquidity right there. So 1 and 2 was first TP, and then 1, 2, 1 and 3 is second TP. That's just beautiful. All right, yeah, that's just beautiful. So 6-hour order block isn't actually an order block. Yeah, it must be random, right? Must be random. Yeah, there. You can't see that. It's actually yeah. This could be random, but still. But yeah. So I would see. I would want to see equal highs get swept there. And then, is there any reason for us to go even lower? Is there? Actually, there is. This rejection block does fit the rules. It actually does. It's a swing high. There's no body overlap. Previous body isn't overlapping with it. It's a swing high. We didn't tap consequent encroachment, so we swept buy side. So there's consequent encroachments right there. Oh, that's that's insane. That's just insane. Look at that. Look at this almost perfectly overlapping with each other. That just gave me confidence to even get my TP up even more. So it's a 1.3.5 now. It's 1.3.5. That's so beautiful. That's insane. Really, that's insane. That's really is insane. That's crazy. So we took out the equal highs. So this would be my first TP. But we wait. We wait even more. So TP would already have been hit, but we wait more. Watch. Watch it. It's gonna tap it perfectly. The consequent encroachment. Oop. Here. Oop. Here. Alright. Give me it. Patience. Patience. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Order block. This already could be trade. We sweep the high, but we haven't hit the target yet. So if you tap the order block, and then boom. Patience. TP would have been hit like 400 times. Alright, gives it. Give me it. Alright, and there it is. Alright, tap consequent encroachment for me. Boom. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, we're going crazy. We're going crazy. I actually don't want to see us take this high. I don't want to see us take this high yet. That's liquidity for another day. Here. Where do we find support? I actually don't want to see us take out this liquidity. If we do, then we take out this liquidity as well. And what would that be? That would be accumulation, manipulation, maybe manipulation. No, not this, because yeah, not this, because it would be the order block high. We don't want to go there, because if we take out this, then we're probably gonna actually go here. But yeah, we could. Yeah, I don't want to see us take out this liquidity, because then yeah, we're gonna take out this, and I don't even know. We're probably not gonna take this out. We leave this for Wednesday. Let's see respect of the constant encroachment. It must be random. That shit isn't there. Alright, so I'm done for AM session. And we'll see what PM will bring us. Yeah, we'll see what PM will bring us. So yeah.